All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Tuesday verb. So determine. Determine. Yes. Determine. Yes. Yes. To decide on what to do or will happen. Yes. I am determined to go. That will determine who goes first. To help or resolve something. Yes. My games will determine who wins. Yes. Yes. We can determine the plans now. Determine, decide. But I am determined to be there tomorrow. Yes. How cool is that? We think it was determined ages ago. Those plans were determined last week. Determined last week, yeah. They were determined last week. Yeah. I know those were determined the last time I was there. Yeah. How cool is that? This will help me determine what to do. See, this will help me determine what to do. Because we need to know, we need a decision. We need a decision. A decision, and that can help me determine it. How cool is that? Her choices today will determine what her future career is like. So the things we do now will determine the kind of future I will have. Yes, the things I do now will determine the future. Do this or do that. Create this or create that. Exercise here, exercise there. Eat this, eat that. It will determine the future I have. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use determine in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.